Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. Today our topic is sell a product as is or process it further. So for instance, we have some uh, common olive oil and we want to check if we need to process it further and sell it as a premium olive oil, for instance, or any other product. It is much easier if we go to our Excel file. And as in all of our videos, our Excel files, they are free, and the link to download it is in our video description. So let's consider here. We have 30,000 units to be sold, and our selling prices are, if we sell it as is, $10. If we process further, $14. However, if we process further, we will have an extra cost of $90,000. How do we work with that? With the incremental analysis. First of all, our revenue, 30,000 times $10, our revenue as is. If we process further, 30,000 times 14. So our difference will be $180,000. Extra cost. Sell as is, no extra cost. Process further, $90,000. Why we don't use the other costs? Because they will be the same, so they will be irrelevant for our decision. And our difference will be 90 less 0, 90. Net benefits to operating income, revenue less extra costs. So net benefits will be $30,000 because our operating income, if we sell it as is, will be 300,000. If we process further, 330, and our difference will be 30. 120 less 90 or 330 less 300. Another way to do that is our extra cost of processing further per unit. 90,000 divided by 30. It is $3. The difference of our price is 4. Our extra cost is 3. So we will earn 4 processing further. We will spend 3 processing further. So we will earn $1 per unit. And $1 times 30,000 units will be $30,000. Okay, guys, so that's it. Thank you so much. If you have questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarpin@gmail.com. Please subscribe our channel, like our video. Have a very nice day.